Hey YouTube, today my video is gonna be on my Amana refrigerator freezer. My problem is freezer and refrigerator is getting warm to a point everything in the freezer will be unfroze. So I'm gonna change it and let's do this. Okay, first thing, removing the door of the freezer. Open it. It's just sitting in these rails, so you lift it the front and lift the back. Put that aside. Oh, forgot something. Gonna unplug the refrigerator. Okay, removing that rack. Now I'm gonna need to remove these tracks. As you can see here, there's a tab, white tab on the track here. You push on it and pull. Probably need a screwdriver to do this, we'll see. Nope, I think I got it. So one removed, and you're gonna end up with something like this. There's some grease on these rails. Do the other one. Press the tab and pull on it. Done. Now need to remove 4 screws, and we'll be able to remove this too. Okay, so these 4 screws, you can use a small box or a flat screwdriver. The same thing on the other side. Now removing the ice cube holder. Okay, now gonna remove this here. There's probably a tab somewhere. Okay, I think I see tabs at the top. Okay. There's also a tab in here in the center. Same thing for that little cap there. Okay. Now we are ready to remove back cover. they're all the same size. Okay. Now removing that connector here. There's a tab on the side. Push on one side. And then the other side. Okay, wait a minute. Maybe I can do it from behind. Okay. Cover removed. Okay. Now, my problem should be this one here. It's just sitting there with a clip, just like this. Okay, so there's a plug going there. I'm going to remove it. Push on tabs, remove. And there's only one way you can put it in, so no problem there. And I'm gonna take that brown wire, so now I can easily cut the brown and orange wire and put the new one in. That's it. Okay, so I'll cut the wire, brown one right about here, cutting orange one about halfway. Okay, so here's the new part. It's a Whirlpool OEM part. That T-stat is 12001937 T-stat. So this is the new one. They're giving you two kind of connector that you can crimp the wires with it, but I'm gonna go another way and solder it to the original wires and put some heat shrink around it. A little longer, but worth it. Okay, so as you can see, this part is repaired. The orange one with the orange one for that plug, and the brown one been soldered and the heat shrink on it. So now ready to reinstall. T-stat going over the cut pipe right about here, just like this. Clips on the copper tubing. Now putting plug back. Remember that there's only one way you can do it. Okay, just like that, just hanging in there So the T-stat is changed. Revert the process with everything, and this should work fine. Okay, plug is back in. Putting the tray over it. See here, there are some hooks and there are some slots on the rails. Put these first on both sides, and they're in. Oh, this one is not. Okay, drop it in here. That's it. You're done. Plug it back. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Maybe you can leave a comment, and maybe you can share this. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.